Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. An Intel or AMD 64-bit CPU, UEFI firmware, and TPM2. 0 if you want native Windows 11 features. If TPM is absent, prepare a documented workaround. Once done, back up your Chrome OS profile and files to an external drive because enabling developer mode wipes the device. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO and Rufus on another PC, and get Chromebook firmware utilities ready. Make a bootable USB with at least 16 GB now, and keep your power adapter handy. You then enable developer mode and USB boot. This typically uses a keyboard combo to enter recovery and toggle flags. Make sure to follow a model-specific guide to flash a custom UEFI firmware when the stock firmware prevents Windows booting. This step fixes bootloader and device recognition. Once firmware is set, plug in your USB installer, boot to the installer menu, and select Custom Install. Create or resize partitions carefully. You will overwrite Chrome OS and proceed to install Windows on the chosen partition. You finish by installing drivers. Chipset first, then audio, Wi-Fi, and touchpad, using firmware bundles or manually from vendor sources so hardware works correctly. Once drivers are stable, enable Secure Boot if your firmware supports it, or apply a documented registry/TPM bypass only to meet Windows 11 checks. Be aware this affects updates. If Windows won't boot, re-enter firmware settings, try safe mode, or restore stock firmware from a recovery USB. Keep a recovery image and the original firmware utility ready in case you need to revert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.